Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about information and communication technology skills. That is the unit 3. So, uh, ICT, right? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It includes a diverse set of technological tools, resources used to communicate, create, disseminate, store, and manage information. That means all the set of technology that we are using to communicate, storing our data, managing our information, those all devices come under the ICT, like computers, internet, broadcasting technology, telephony, everything comes under the ICT. Now, digital technology and binary format, these are the two words that we are going to learn about. What is a digital technology? The technology that is storing the information in the form of 0 or 1 is known as digital technology. Now, the device that is storing the information in 0 or 1 is known as digital technology. 0 and 1 format is known as the binary format because it is using two bits, two numbers to store a data 0 or 1. So, we call it as a binary format. Now, people use technology every day at home and at workplace. So, everywhere we are seeing it's a technological usage. See, internet for getting information, communicating with others through email and social network, watching movies and TV shows, etc. Everything we are using technology. Now, here is an example of finding a job and getting a job offer. Let us study and we will get to know in how much depth we are using the technology. To find a job, you may have to search the internet for job openings. First thing, we are searching for the internet for the jobs. Then create a resume on a computer. Second thing, we have created a resume by using a computer system. Sorry. Third, use email to send that resume. Third thing, we have sent that resume using the internet via email. Send messages through your phone to communicate, or for there is a telephonic interview. Fourth is, we are having a telephonic interview or we are talking and get your offer letter through your email and you are getting your offer letter. So all of the process has been through the technology. ICT help us to communicate, run our business and stay connected with our family and friends. Hence, every person needs to acquire the ICT skills. We are using the latest software. Softwares means that technology that makes the hardware to run, because we know hardware itself can't run. We need those softwares like operating system, your web browsers, Twitter, Facebook, all are these are the software and applications. Introduction to ICT. See, information, we can store information. If I say to note down the points what I am saying right now, so few students will write on a pen paper and few of them will start typing. Now those who are typing are storing the data in a digital form, so any information that we are storing on an electronic device is stored in a form of a digital form. ICT devices are tablet, smartphones and laptops. Let us have a look ICT at workplace. That means at our workplace how we are using the ICT. At workplace, we use different computer softwares and application to complete tasks like making documents, calculations, tables, graphs, etc. We can also use application to do everyday work like buying things, booking train or bus tickets, internet banking, and making online payments. So you have seen, if we are booking a ticket also, we are using the technology. Even if we go to the railways and book a train ticket over there also, they are using their own software for booking those tickets. So at every place we are using the ICT. Therefore, employees are expected to possess a sound knowledge of all those to work independently on various softwares and computer. So this is our motive, that we should know and have the knowledge of the ICT or the softwares we are going to use. ICT at home. See, at home we use mainly ICT for the entertainment purpose or calling. New devices such as smartphones with an internet connection are now being used to stay connected with family and friends on a regular basis through social media networks such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Now, there are various other sectors like in agriculture, retail, beauty and wellness, banking and finance, apparel, logistics, and healthcare. See, let me give you an example. If you have been through Instagram, there are many pages for the beauty, right? Many pages for the banking and finances, and even the banking like SBI have opened their own application, that is the Yono one. So every banking system, everything is going for the applications, their own softwares. How, what are they doing? They are using the technology to make our task easier ones. Now, session number 2, ICT tools, smartphones and tablets. You are going to love this topic. Really, you are going to love this topic. Smartphones and tablets are becoming more important as most people carry them around, use them in their daily life. So, we all are using these smartphones in our daily life. The one question I want to ask is difference between mobile phones and the smartphones. See, mobile phones and smartphones are different. When there was the phones with the numeric pad, and there was no internet connection, and in that we can just use it for the phone calls, or there is some Bluetooth connectivity. So that, no, that phones were known as the mobile phones. Now phones what we are using are the smartphones, but we call it as a mobile phones also because they are portable. We can take them from one place to another and they are handy ones, so we call it as a mobile phones. Without these, most people cannot work with others. This spreading of an idea or of a news occurring somewhere in the world is now possible through the social sites on the internet. As long as one person is able to connect to the internet and express their view about a situation or simply about an idea, then the information that individual will want to share will get out into the world. That means, in short, they are saying, if you want to share anything on the social media site, or we want to broadcast our information, we can just use the internet or the social networking sites. Smartphones. Smartphones are more advanced. With a simple mobile phone, you can only make your phone calls and receive calls, but with a smartphone, you can make calls, you do things you normally do using a computer. Smartphones are also called as the mobile phone as you can use them anywhere at home, office, or the other on the road. So, some of the popular operating system are Android operating system, Apple iOS, and the Windows Mobile. These are the operating system for the smartphones. What is the operating system? The software that is used to run our hardware is known as the operating system, right? The first software, tablets. See, tablets is just like your smartphones but with the bigger screen, and data storage is more than the smartphone, right? These are the few changes. Basically, tablets are good for the reading and gaming purpose. TV and radio. See, TV and radio are the broadcasting one. Now, TV is the one that show you the audio and visual information. That means you can have the audio also and the visual also. But in the radio, you just have your audio broadcast. Application or apps. What are the application or apps? See, every application that you see, let us take basic example of Facebook. So, what is Facebook meant for? Facebook is meant for to connect the people. So, any application that is made is used to do some particular instructions, yeah, particular task. So we called it as a set of instructions. So application are just set of instructions that are performing a particular specific task. Some of the apps are already present in a phone or tablet. These are called the default apps. The application that is already installed in your mobile phones or the computer system, those we are called as default apps. Besides, there are hundred of other apps that can be purchased or downloaded. So where we can download Google Play Store for Android and Apple App Store for the Apple. Coming to the topic, default applications. See, phone, calendar, camera, mail, photos, clock, maps, messages, web browser, music, Google Play Store. If you are having the Android phone, then it's a Google Play Store. If you are having the Apple, then it's the Apple Store. Basic smartphone versus tablet. I have already told you, screen size is smaller in the smartphone, screen size is bigger in the tablet, right? So you are going to study about it. Just get a look. You have long battery life in tablet. There is a shortage of life battery in smartphones. Storage is more in tablet. Storage is shorter in smartphone. Although you have to pay more for these smartphones to have a bigger storage amount. So with this, we are over with 2 sessions, and we will continue with the third one in our next video. Till then, bye bye.